If you use Endorsal to get reviews for your business or maybe for your client's business, I think you'll find this report pretty useful. I found it in the Google Data Studio gallery and it's created by Baguette Engineering, so I definitely recommend you have a look. For me, it prompted a few different ideas on how to add even more value to my client using Endorsal. Right now, I'm collecting customer feedback, I'm turning that feedback into reviews, and now I can add two different types of additional services. The first and easiest one to implement, I think, is to create a weekly report. Google Data Studio gives you the ability to schedule reports and automate that quite easily. And the other idea is analyzing the data that you collect from Endorsal and identifying areas of opportunity within the data. In both cases, you'll need to figure out a way to connect the Endorsal data and plug it into Google Sheets. And then from Google Sheets, you could connect that data into Google Data Studio. To make that data connection from Endorsal's public API to Google Sheets, I highly recommend you have a look at a tool called Epiphany. Dealing with APIs can be a little cumbersome, but Epiphany makes connecting to APIs super easy. In any case, I just wanted to share a couple of different ideas to add more value to your client on top of collecting reviews for them or for yourself. And I also want to know how you're using Endorsal to create even more value for yourself or for your client.